mga kamacho, for today's video, I'll be sharing with you my DIY skincare routine, which you can do every morning or every night after school or work. So let's start. This skincare routine is composed of 3 parts: cleanse, tone, and moisturize. Kadalasan, sa sobrang pagod natin from school or work, hindi na tayo nakakapaghilamos. Please lang mga kamacho, huwag niyong kalimutang mag-cleanse kasi sa pamamagitan ng paghihilamos, maalis nito yung mga duming nakuha natin sa labas like pollution, usok, alikabok, pawis at pati na rin yung makeup na ginagamit natin. I normally do double cleanse. For my first cleansing, I use water and soap to knock off our makeup. Aminin, mas gusto natin yung long-lasting makeup na may pangakong can last up to 12 or even 24 hours. Idagdag mo pa dyan yung mga sunscreen na nilalagay mo, plus yung pawis at usok na naipon dyan sa skin mo on the way to work or school. So tanggalin natin yung mga kamacho. Once na malinis na ang ating mukha, it's time to do our second cleansing. I highly recommend using oats because ang oats ay may tinatawag na saponin content, which is a terrific natural skin cleanser. So kung may sensitive or dry skin ka, oats will work for you. Second, oatmeal has rich antioxidant properties and helps in healing your skin from pollution, UV rays, and chemicals. Third, oats help control itching and inflammation from various skin diseases like eczema, psoriasis, etc. Fourth, dahil may healing and moisturizing properties ang oatmeal, it is effective in soothing sunburn. As my toner, I use this apple cider vinegar. Toning your face can help close pores and tighten cell gaps after cleansing. It can even protect and remove chlorine and minerals present in tap water. Itong BRAGG organic, raw unfiltered with the mother. Ginagawa ko, hinahaluan ko siya ng tubig. And yung ratio niya 1:4 kasi nga sobrang tapang niya kasi hindi pwedeng direct nating ilalagay sa mukha natin. So, eto na. Matatapos na tayo, kamacho. Konting tiis na lang. Ang last step natin is moisturize. Moisturizing every day can reduce the chance of developing extreme dryness or oiliness. Magandang mag-moisturize to prevent breakouts. Less din ang chance na magka-pimple ka and makakatulong to para mabalance din yung skin complexion nyo. So, ayun lang siya guys. So, ngayon, kung makikita nyo, medyo nag-glow yung mukha ko kasi may petroleum jelly siya. So, matutulog na ako. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. So, see you in my next videos. Bye and good night mga kamacho!